Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to fix a Qubo dashcam that is not connecting to Wi-Fi in 2026. So if your dashcam won't connect and keeps failing, don't worry, you can try these easy fixes in order to basically fix this issue. So first of all, you need to make sure that your Wi-Fi is turned on in your Qubo dashcam. For that, you need to open the camera settings. In the settings, you just have to basically enable the Wi-Fi option before trying to connect from your phone. Now, if the issue still persists, you can just simply restart your dashcam by pressing this power button, and you can also restart your smartphone. This particular step is also going to clear the temporary connection related issues and often fixes the pairing related problems. Now you can try to connect with the correct Wi-Fi network. For that, you just have to simply open your phone, then simply go to the Wi-Fi settings. Now you need to connect to the dashcam's Wi-Fi network and not your home Wi-Fi. Then open the Qubo application to complete the connection. Make sure that you stay close to the dashcam while connecting. The weak signal or the distance can cause the connection failure. Now, even after trying all of these methods, if the issue still persists, you can just simply restart or reset your dashcam and you can set it up again. So here you will find the reset button on your dashcam. You can also basically press this power button and wait for 30 to 60 seconds and it is going to basically restart your dashcam. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.